Okay, hello everybody, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm here in Sada Bazaar to drink something else for myself because I'm a bit tired. Now I'm going to work because I have done a lot of course here. Now I'm feel thirsty to drink something here in Sada Bazaar. I think this will be enough for me to drink here. Because he has two kind of drinks like orange drinks and plum drinks, as we can say aloo bukhara, and orange drinks like malta, right? So he has two kind of drinks, and for drinking, because I have done first, I got my passport first. Then I decided to eat paluda, but there was no electronic system, so that's why I came here because it was, standing. Because he is standing on the main road, so that's why I have decided to drink something here. Salam alaikum. هذه شربت بسودة ده أورنج ولا؟ أو ده لوبا خارة. 40 or 30. Okay, the you 40 ولا راك صحيح ده؟ So I ordered to aloo bukhara sir to eat. Even its class is almost 40 rupee. Yeah, Pakistani 40 rupee, and this one is almost. And my glass is just here. Yeah, it's exceptional and outstanding. I don't have any words to say and admire his serve and his things that he prepared for people, for thirsty people. Like there are many people come here from different places, right? So definitely they will have, a kind of thirstiness. So that's why they come here to enjoy their selves, like drinking juice or something else. Even there are more things, famous things here, like in Sada we have paluda and tikka, which are so famous here. Many people come here to eat paluda and to eat like this something else what they want. But this is my last class here to drink here in Sada Bazaar. Even in my first vlog, it's too difficult to drink in front of people and talking in front of people and have a conversation in public. It's too difficult, but for me, I want to make it easiest for myself. So let's try. Commencing with the great name of Allah, because we are Muslim, so we say Bismillah ar-Rahman ar-Rahim. Escape. You wanna drink? You wanna? It's okay. What did you do? Okay, here's a guy. A guy he has truly and works all the day here in market and bazaar. So he is here. हमारा तो जान दी और तो है तो we are drinking something which is plum juice. Many people come here, like you can see around myself, but many people they want to drink, like you can see. Is this good? Okay, yeah. Actually, I know that they are not, understand English, so that's why I'm so forced to talk in Pashto. Just to enjoy, our life, because we don't know when we will die. We don't know. This guy won't change. It's a bit salty. I don't know what he makes in it. I don't know exactly. You don't know? What you don't know? You can't speak English? Yeah, what is that? It's a juice. What is it? It's a plum juice. Plum. Aloo bukhara. Plum. Yeah, it's a plum juice. Yeah, it's a malta. Orange. You can say orange. Thank you, it's so better and so nice. Thank you, and greeting for my items. Greeting. Like with your hands. Last one was about last one. Yeah, that's it. For my items, my items are looking and watching you, like my audience watching you, and they are enjoying you. That how how you drink rum juice or something else. So my glass is going to finish and vanish. Yeah, that's nice. No doubt in it, because he, prepared it so well. I don't know what he makes in it.
Let's go. Let's go.
Let's go, yeah, let's go. My glass is going to finish. No. Yeah, no. Why? That was nice. Try to come here to enjoy this, serve. It's amazing juice, plum juice or something else. Try to come here and Sada, special to this guy. He's so kindness, as I think and as I see. Okay. So I'm going to, and I have to pay now as well because I have drink things. I'm going to give him. It's okay. No. Everyone, it's okay. Keep the chance. I'm not going to take back, okay? Just pray for me, okay? Dua kawa, okay? Goodbye, my audience. I will catch up you later if I give a chance again. So definitely I will, make something else for you guys, okay? Goodbye.